So today I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar, specifically the meet with a certain person function. So you go over here on the Google homepage. You can also be in Gmail to do it. You hit the Google waffle, and then you find Google Calendar. It may be down further, so don't be afraid to hit more, find it. My suggestion is to drag it up to the top. Once you're on Google Calendar, there are 3 different days, I guess 4 different, day, week, month, year, viewable settings. I always pick week. It makes this easier. Over to the left, you have your other calendars. So for instance, for me, I have a lot of Google Classrooms and my collaboration room, as well as my school calendar and district calendars. So what I do is I unclick those and adjust to where my calendar is showing. So here it is. I know it doesn't look very full, but here it is. Meet with. So in our organization, anybody in Norman Public Schools, I can type to see if they're available. Now the first person I'm going to type, I know they're not available, Catherine Lewis. So when you type people, you're either going to get them highlighted orange, or you're going to see this little star and it says calendar cannot be shown. When it shows this, that means that person's calendar settings are private, and so they just need to open those up. For this instance, say I want to meet with our librarian, Kristen Langford, to collaborate on some lessons and some guided inquiry stuff. So you notice how she gets highlighted orange. And then over here in the week view, you can see that the orange is her and the blue is mine, or whatever color you picked out. And if you notice on hers, it doesn't tell me what she's doing, so it keeps that person's privacy, but it does tell me that they are busy during these times. So, say I wanted to meet with her Thursday at 9. I'm just going to click it. It's going to show both of our names. I can pick whatever time. I can also choose another person. Their schedule will highlight in here if I do that. And for this, I'll just put that it's a practice. I'm going to hit save. When I hit save, it says, would you like to send the invitation to other guests? I always send it, that way people know that I invited them to something. Otherwise, it just stays on their calendar, and that could be a problem. So, see how it popped up? It sends them an invite. They can accept or decline, but that's how you meet with other people.